In Japan style, if you have a package, there's a memo that you have a package and they will put on the big box like this one. Number 1, it's written here, number 1, and the number is 5827. 5827, and then open it. How come 5827? Huh? 5827.